Hey everyone, this is Lucien for Out of This Binary, and this is the free week. So I am going to read you a poem by Gorey. I don't know if you know him, but he was an illustrator from the United States, and he used to draw things like kind of gothic and weird things, and he made poems, and he was pretty awesome. And I am going to read the poem "The Osbick Bird," which is from where I chose my name, my username everywhere online. It's Osbick because of this poem, and because I identify with the bird like such a lot. And so yeah, here we go. This poem here I'm going to read is on this book, Everyman Book of Nonsense Verse. This poem I'm going to read is on this book, Everyman Book of Nonsense Verse, which I have from since I was 12, I think. Yeah. So here we go. The Osbick Bird by Gorey. An Osbick bird flew down and sat on Ambulus Fingby's bowler hat. It had not done so for a whim, but meant to come and live with him. On Friday, Ambulus played the flute. The bird now joined him on a lute. The top of the zagawa tree was frequently where they had tea. They sometimes strolled beyond the town, in time to watch the sun go down. The cards got battered past repair as they played double solitaire. And after that they would not speak to one another for a week. They went to Periboo by car, and places twice again as far. In winter they were both discreet and wore galoshes on their feet. Upon the river Ode the two were often seen in their canoe. The years passed by in pressing weeds and making bowpots out of beads. And when at last poor Ambulus died, the Osbick bird was by his side. He was interred, the bird alone was left to sit upon his stone. But after several months, one day, it changed its mind and flew away. So, I hope you enjoyed it. I know my reading skills are dreadful, but yeah, this is my favorite poem, and yeah, I love you. Bye, take care of yourselves. If you have any other poet suggestions or illustrator suggestions, people you like, I love knowing new artists, so please post it on the comments. Yay, bye bye!